Hi queens, welcome to the channel. Please, before you continue watching, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit the red subscribe button that says subscribe on your interface. And lastly, please share this video with your friends if you enjoyed watching. Also, please ensure you watch this video to the end, as all instructions will be stated towards the end of the video. To begin, our first ingredient is going to be papaya leaf. The star of the process is papaya leaf. Just pluck a leaf like so. It comes with a very long stalk. So I'm going to be breaking off the stalk because we are not going to be using that in this video. We're only going to be making use of the leaf. As you already know, this is not the only video that we have made with papaya leaf. So kindly check my other videos to see other recipes on this amazing leaf. Now here is a little background information about papaya. Papaya is a pear-shaped tree fruit that is commonly referred to as the fruit of the angels due to its multiple health benefits. When ripe, the papaya flesh tends to turn an orange or pink, orange or yellow color, and can be characterized as having a rich yet sweet flavor. Papaya can be eaten outright after removing the skin and the seeds, but also has a multitude of different uses, which includes tenderizing meat and revitalizing skin and hair. I'm explaining because most of you in my previous videos asked what papaya is. Most of you don't really know what papaya is, but papaya is abundant in many countries, not just Nigeria. We've got papaya in other countries. So after cutting the papaya leaves with my fingers, I'm going to be pounding that using my local mortar and pestle. I know this mortar and pestle might not be familiar with most of you, but if you're an African, you already know the drill. You already know this type of mortar and pestle. Let me know in the comment section if you have seen this type of mortar and pestle. As a village girl that I am, I will not fail to bring to you my native stuff here on this channel. So I went ahead and pounded that. In today's video, we are going to be making a super potent hair growth oil that you can use to solve all your hair problems. Sorry, I didn't let you know this on time. So after pounding, I'll go ahead and pack that into my plate. Make sure the plate is free of moisture. I'm not using blender because I don't need any form of moisture in this oil that we are making. So I went ahead and poured 125 ml worth of olive oil into that. Olive oil softens hair. It helps your hair grow stronger. It makes your hair grow longer as well. Feel free to use any other carrier oil if you don't have olive oil. After adding in your oil, make sure to stir this properly. Moving on, I'm going to be using a DIY double boiler method to infuse this oil. Pour some water in a pan, bring to a boil, and then place the bowl containing the papaya and the oil in it and continue stirring. You have to stir this for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Just make sure that this oil is green in color. To know that this oil is ready, place a white paper on a surface and then drop about 2 to 3 drops of this oil on the paper. If it's green, know that the oil is ready, and if it's not green, know that you've not gotten it. This oil must be green before you know that you got it. After infusion, place the oil on a surface and allow to cool down completely, and then proceed to sieve. Once the oil is cool, Use a cheesecloth to sieve to avoid particles getting into the oil. You may also be needing a strainer to support the cheesecloth, hence the reason why I'm using the strainer and the cheesecloth to sieve this. Also, you also need a bowl to collect your oil. If you have any form of hair problem, don't fail to make this oil. Papaya is a powerful herb for hair growth. This oil can solve all your hair problems, including balding, hair loss, split ends, dandruff, dry itchy scalp, dull hair, heat damaged hair, gray hair, color damaged hair, and grows hair really fast. Do not rinse this out of your hair if you really want to see results. Store this oil in an airtight container. For me, I'll be using my applicator bottle. This bottle helps me apply this oil directly on my scalp. There you go. Our world's best hair growth oil is ready for application. This is the easiest recipe you can ever think of. So for the application, I'm going to be applying that on my scalp and then massaging my scalp. You can also use this as a pre-poo hot oil treatment. You can also use this oil to seal in moisture in your hair. If this oil doesn't come in contact with moisture, it can last for 6 months without preservatives. Just store on your kitchen cabinet or any cabinet at all you have in your house. Do not store in the refrigerator, guys. This oil doesn't need moisture. Papaya contains a large amount of vitamin C, which is key for its restorative and healing properties. It also contains about 2 to 4% of your daily needs of vitamins and minerals. Since it contains high amounts of vitamin C and A, it aids in the removal of dead skin cells, encourages healthy cell turnover, and nourishes the hair shaft. If you've noticed a ton of dead skin cells and dandruff, the papaya could be the answer to all of your prayers. The folic acid that papaya contains, as well as vitamin C, both improve circulation throughout the body, including the scalp. The scalp is fed the nutrients and minerals that are needed to produce healthy hair growth and stimulate the sebaceous glands. The sebum that is produced nourishes, conditions, and protects the scalp, providing a healthy environment for new growth to flourish. The enzymes that are used to tenderize meat also have a conditioning effect on the hair. It has been shown that papaya can remove buildup that may have formed on the hair and scalp, which could be causing dull, dry, lifeless hair. Once that buildup is removed, the cuticles are able to open so that the moisture and nutrients can be restored to the hair shaft and then shot back so that they can be retained. If you have been looking for a way to thicken up your hair, this is the best way to go. Try this oil, use it to massage your scalp daily, and in a month's time, you're going to be amazed at the results. People are yet to discover this recipe. People are yet to discover papaya. If formulators discover papaya, they are going to use it to blow up in the market. When I mean formulators, I mean hair products formulators. Those that formulate natural hair products or hair products generally, they are going to blow up with this if they discover this plant. If you've got fine natural hair or thin natural hair, this oil is amazing. You need this oil in your life. If you don't know how to get it, try the powder. I'm sure the powder version is on Amazon. Try and get your hands on papaya, and you'll be glad you did. Did I mention that this oil helps to darken hair over time? Yes, it does. It does darken hair over time. This oil is 10 in 1. better than neem oil, better than moringa oil. If you've tried the neem oil shared on this channel, try this papaya oil and see the difference. You will run back and tell me thank you. In as much as the leaves are more potent, try your hands on the powder if you can't get the leaves. Just use 2 teaspoons of the papaya powder into 125 ml worth of olive oil, infuse for 6 weeks, and then sieve to use your oil. I'm saying this for the sake of those of you who won't be able to get the leaves. Go ahead and use the powder, but use it this way. Infuse yours for 6 weeks and then strain to use your oil. After massaging my scalp, I went ahead and braided my hair and tucked in. Always tuck in your ends to avoid drying out. Those are the causes of split ends. If your ends are dried, they will definitely split. That brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. I will see you in my next video. Stay safe out there.